Hey there, I'm Jen with Heartland Funding Inc, and I'm making this video to let you know about us and our business. Don Wede is the owner, and he started this real estate investment in 1985 with the goal to help people. We particularly look for houses that need renovation or with owners that are stuck in sticky situations. Perhaps you can't afford to fix it anymore, or you just need a cash offer fast. That's what we're here for. We're a family company. Avoid the hassle of listing it on the MLS or showing it to strangers. Just come to us. We are based in Spring Valley, but we buy in Chicago and Greater Chicagoland area and other cities like Rockford, Peoria, Quad Cities, Bloomington-Normal, Champaign-Urbana, Decatur, Springfield, Metro East St. Louis, Southern Illinois, and anywhere in between. We're easy to work with, and we want to create a win-win situation for everyone. Give us a call for a no-obligation offer, and don't forget to check out our website at www.heartlandbuyshouses.com. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.